Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing template to make your images amazing like this. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide. Go to form a background and click on picture text fill. Go to insert tab on from your file or online pictures or from stock images. So you're going to insert a picture in the background with people in it. Next, we're going to go to shapes and insert this donut shape into the entire slide. We're going to reduce this circle, move it onto the image of one or two people. We're going to give it an outline of white color. Let's increase its weight as well. And we're going to go to format shape. Now let's give it transparency so that we can also view what is in the background. Now change its color using eyedropper from your background image. You can customize the color if you want according to your own preferences. Next, we're gonna insert our content text under our title. Bold it, use a bold font, and give it a shadow so that we can see it clearly onto this transparent donut. So we're gonna just give it the fifth number shadow. So next we're gonna insert our content text and we're gonna give it a white color and shadow if necessary. Now we're going to change the donut's color because this is just too light. So we're going to use a darker shade of the same color. Now duplicate the slide and direct this donut circle onto the other two couple. And so this is the pen that we're using. Next we're gonna get align it the text to the right side and change our text, yeah, something like this. Now duplicate the slide again and direct this circle onto the other couple and increase or decrease the mid circle size if you want. We're going to move our text just below in the middle of our template and in the center of our template. We're going to change our title and the text and align them. Next, we're going to duplicate this template again, and we're going to move this small circle onto another person. So as you can see, this person is single. So we're just going to move it onto it and write one single name in it. We're going to give it left side alignment to the text, and then we're going to put it right on top. Now duplicate the last slide, and what we're going to do is select the text and move it right down here. Now what you're going to do is change your text or customize it. Select all of the templates, go to transitions tab, and then give it more transition. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this free template from the link below in the description.